Tired of cold showers and discolored water? Then call the water heater experts at Pipe Wrench. We offer water heater repairs or replacements for traditional tank style or tankless water heaters. So call or book your appointment online today at pipewrench.com. And as always, same-day service guaranteed or the visit.
That would be free. Hi, everybody. Thanks for checking in with your morning weather update. Sure hope you have a great day. Yesterday, we topped out at 94 degrees, and that's going to be the story again today. More heat, more humidity, and that's going to make for a rather uncomfortable day. High pressure is still hanging strong. Cold front to our north. Moisture is still hanging out around the area, but again, another little upper level piece of energy is going to start to slide on into the area throughout the day today, and that's going to help to spark off elevated rain chances. So just a little bit more elevated today than what we experienced yesterday. So hot today, but cooler through the rest of the week. Humidity holds strong, and the rain increases with isolated strong thunderstorms. We are under a level 1 risk for severe storms by tomorrow, I should say. So this morning we start off with temperatures in the 60s and 70s, which is about where we were yesterday. Not a big deal there. Dew points are in the upper 60s to low 70s, and so that's going to lead to that extremely hot day. Lunchtime temperatures will be in the upper 80s. Forecast high temperatures today top out in the low to mid 90s. Likely the hottest day for the rest of the week, which is good news. But it is going to help to push our heat index values back close to 100 this afternoon. Futurecast model. Nice, quiet, comfortable to get the day started. Lunchtime should be great, but we're going to start to see those clouds increasing, and from lunchtime to 3, we'll see a few pop-up showers and thunderstorms. We've got a water-loaded atmosphere, so once again, heavy rain. Tropical-like downpours can't be ruled out, but not everybody gets the rain throughout the day today. As I mentioned, though, we will start to see elevated rain chances here over the next couple of days. You can kind of see our forecast storm energy, where we have the best probability, I should say, of seeing some isolated storms throughout the day today. Where we have those darker shades of greens means a better chance. 90 by 6 by 10 o'clock tonight, we're down to about 79 degrees. Now, when you look at the Storm Prediction Center's forecast, we've got a couple of areas of concern throughout the day today. Nothing here locally, but as we get into our Wednesday, Thursday, we have a level 1 risk by the Storm Prediction Center. And then that fades as we get into our Thursday and Friday. Rain chances are elevated, so we know that we have a lot better chance for seeing some much needed rain move its way on into the area. So let's go and break it down today and tomorrow. Not expecting a whole lot of activity, but we'll add a little bit more as we get into our Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. We'll add a little bit more. Sunday and Monday, we'll add a little bit more. So when you look at your rainfall forecast over the next 7 days, area-wide, we're going anywhere from about a half an inch to over an inch of rainfall. Heaviest rain is going to be across the higher elevations, the Smoky Mountains. We'll get some good, solid rain to set up shop. All right, let's go back to your 7-day forecast. Here is that 7-day. We sure hope you have a great day today. Enjoy the rest of the week. Average high is 88. We'll be nice and average starting Thursday through the upcoming weekend with more heat building as we get into next week. Have a great day.